Alright guys, here's another tip for the fam. This is a slept-on plugin that's free inside the MPC that I think all of you should be using. Have you ever had like a bass line, a real heavy bass line, but when you put your drums in, it's like super distorted or fighting for frequencies? Alright, so let me play this beat for you right now. Now, notice how it's like really distorted, and notice how the kick and the snare kind of fighting for frequency range. This is Mother Ducker. Now this is free inside of MPC and all you guys should be using it. It's like a secret weapon to get those punchy drums and solid bass. On your drums, you're going to put Mother Ducker input on your drum. Put the standard Mother Ducker on your bass lines. We're going to play this again. Okay, now as you can see, it's still distorted. We're going to enable. Now watch what happens. Notice how the drums come through. So now the bass line and the drums aren't fighting as much. Alright, so guys, look, head to thecyclekit.com, support your boy. Oh, and also, I took the free stems kit off. It's gone. I love y'all. Y'all take care of yourselves.